Hello dear students, this is the differential calculus part 7 in which we are going to see the application of differentiation for finding the whether function is increasing, decreasing. Myself Professor Vaishali Bharat Gholap. Increasing and decreasing function we try to understand with this graph. You can see this is the graph of the function f of x is equal to x square. Look at the right hand side of the origin. If we move from left to right, the height of the graph is increasing. If we move from left to right, graph of the height is increasing. Means we can say the graph is increasing for the value x more than 0. At the same time, when we look left hand side of the origin, when we move from left to right, graph height of the graph is decreasing. Means we can say the value of the function x square is decreasing when we move from -2 to 0. This is the concept of increasing and decreasing. Here you can see the three graphs. When we see the graph moving upwards, we can say the function is strictly increasing. When we observe the graph like this downward moving, we can say the function is strictly decreasing. And when we observe the graph like straight line, neither increasing nor decreasing function. This is the concept of increasing and decreasing function. Now we are going to see the actual example. Use of differentiation for identifying the interval of increasing and decreasing function. Find the interval in which the function f given by f of x is equal to 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30. Okay, there are 4 steps we have to follow for finding the interval in which function is increasing and decreasing. First step is we have to find out the derivative of the given function. Derivative of the given function is 12x square minus 12x minus 72. In second step, we have to put first derivative is equal to 0. Here I have bring 12 outside for making this equation simple. 12 in bracket x square minus x minus 6. Now we have to find out the factor of this equation. Factor of this equation is x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Here I have write down minus 3 plus 2 means multiplication is minus 6, addition is minus 1. This is a factorization. When I bring common from this x square minus 3x, x minus 3 plus 2 common in bracket x minus 3. Here we get the two factors of this equation, that is x minus 3, x plus 2, means value of x is minus 2 and 3. In third step we have to write down these values of x on this scale. There are minus infinity, plus infinity, minus 2, 3. You can see here there are 3 intervals we observe. First interval is minus infinity minus 2. Second interval is minus 2, 3. Third interval is 3 plus infinity. This is the third step. In fourth step, we have to check in which interval function is increasing and decreasing. For that purpose, we have to put the values of x in between that interval. We see in first interval is minus infinity minus 2. The value between this interval is minus 3. When I put this minus 3 in f dash x, we will get, you can see here minus 3 is in this between this interval minus 2 minus infinity minus 3 into minus 3 plus 2, that is 6, which is greater than 0, means in this interval function is increasing. In second, when I put the values of x which is in between the interval, that is minus 2 and 3, here I have put two values, minus 2 and 3 interval I have put minus 1 and 2. In both the cases, we will get the answer -4, which is less than 0. Means in this interval, that is -2, 3, function is decreasing. Again, in third interval is 3 plus infinity. I have put the value of x is equal to 4, which is in between 3 and minus infinity. 4 minus 3 into 4 plus 2. That is 6, which is more than 0, means the function is increasing in this interval. Now second question. Find the interval in which function f given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. First step is we have to find out the derivative. Derivative of the given function is 3x square minus 18x plus 24. Now here again I have put 3 outside for making simplification of the given equation, that is 3x square minus 6x plus 8. Now we use the factorization to find out the value of x. Factors of 8, -4, -2, and addition of this is -6. X square minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Again here I have bring x outside, means common. X minus 4 minus 2 x minus 4. Here two factors we will get, that is x minus 4, x minus 2, means value of x will be 4 and 2. In the third step we write down that given values of x on scale of minus infinity plus infinity, we will get 3 interval, that is minus infinity 2, 2, 4 and 4 plus infinity. Now we want to find out whether function is increasing or decreasing in each interval. For that purpose, we need to put the values of x in given interval. First of all, we put the value of x is equal to 1, which is in the interval of minus infinity 2. We will get the value of that first derivative is 3, which is greater than 0, means function is increasing in this interval, minus infinity 2. Then in the second interval, that is 2, 4, I put the value of x is equal to 3. 3 minus 4, 3 minus 2, that is minus 1, which is less than 0, means function is decreasing in 2 and 4 interval. Then in third interval is 4 plus infinity. When I put the value of x is equal to 5, which is in between this interval 4 and plus infinity, the value of the f dash x is 3, which is greater than 0, means function is increasing in this interval, that is 4 plus infinity. Third problem. Find the interval in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 100. First derivative or derivative of this given function is 3x square minus 6x plus 3. Again here I have bring 3 outside. X square minus 2x plus 1. Factorization of this equation is x square minus 1x plus 1. We will get x minus 1, x minus 1, x value is 1. Here we will get only one value for x. When we plot this value of the x on the scale minus infinity 1 plus infinity, we will get two intervals, minus infinity 1 and 1 plus infinity. Now fourth step we check in which interval function is increasing and decreasing. For that purpose we have to put the value of x which is in between 1 and minus infinity, that is minus 2. When we put x is equal to minus 2, we will get 9, which is more than 0. Means function is increasing in this interval, minus infinity and 1. And in the second interval, when we put x is equal to 2, which is in this interval 1 plus infinity, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, we will get answer as a 1, which is greater than 0. Means function is also increasing in this interval 1 plus infinity. Thank you.